guys, so today I'm gonna address the issue on CoblatStrike 2.5, which I made that video back in a day. So basically when I was using that, let me show you my Java version first. So this is how you change the version of Java. So you can do config, then type your Java. So let's do enter, and here you can see I have OpenJDK version 8 as well as 15 and 11. So I have 3. So here you need to select the number, so which version do you want to use. So once you have select the number, right, you just write it 2, then let's do enter. So right now I'm using JDK 15. So on that video, on previous video, you can use JDK 8. So you need to have that. If higher than that, it won't work, so keep that in mind. So right now I'm using CoblatStrike 4.0, and that's it. And so if I show you the file, so here you can see the start file as well as team server file. In order to start, first of all you need to start your server. So this is how you do it. So you do team server, right, and you just type your IP address, your local IP address, and mine is this, and this is gonna be your password, and you can run that in default port number, so it's not a big issue. So here what you need to understand is your server, CoblatStrike server, it has been started on this IP address, and this is your password, and this is your port number when you are trying to log in. So let me split that screen, right, and then use this start.sh file to run your CoblatStrike, and let's do enter, and let's wait for a few seconds. So I have already got a profile, so let me just show you how it's gonna look. So this is basically what you're gonna see. You can change the session name, right, Sinister, and this is your port number 550, and this is your host IP address, and our password is 123, and let's go and connect it. Once you have connected, right, so this is your basic interface, and you can see we can change the connection, right. If you want to switch a server or have a new connection, you can do it like that. And we have visualization. So in order to perform an attack, right, so here is an option for that, and you can use spear phishing also, and here you need to have your own template for it, and that's it, I guess. If you want to learn more about it, right, so there is a PDF regarding this CoblatStrike, so let me know if you want it. So I'm using this one. So there is an updated version also, so I haven't got that. So that's it for now. Hope this helps. Thank you guys.